Welcome to Sound Balance Physical Therapy. I'm Dr. Jonathon May.
And I'm Melanie.
We're creating a new series of videos which highlights the exercises in our home exercise program book.
And you can find a link to that book in the description below.
We'll be posting new content every day, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to hit the notification bell below so you can be notified every time we post.
And if there's any suggestions that you want us to make videos for, then leave a comment down below. This exercise is called tuck jumps. It's a good leg exercise, but it's also a good cardio endurance exercise. It's a great way to increase your heart rate. It's a great way to warm up as well. So this is done by squatting down and then jumping as high as you can and bringing your knees up as high as you can. So I will demonstrate that for you. Just squat down, jump up, and bring your legs up. So again, a great way to increase your heart rate. You might get a good leg exercise as well. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified of our new content coming out. And thanks for watching, and keep moving.